Islamic sermons, also known as khutbahs, play a significant role in Muslim communities worldwide. These sermons are typically delivered during the Friday congregational prayer, Jummah, but they can also be given on other occasions and gatherings. Here are some key aspects and themes commonly found in Islamic sermons. Tawheed, oneness of Allah, emphasizing the belief in oneness of Allah, which is a central pillar of Islamic faith. Prophethood, discussing the importance of prophethood and the role of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as the final messenger sent by Allah. Quranic verses and Hadith, explaining and reflecting on relevant Quranic verses and teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, that relate to contemporary issues and personal conduct. Ethical conduct, addressing moral and ethical issues such as honesty, kindness, justice, and compassion, which are emphasized in Islamic teachings. Social justice, advocating for fairness, equality, and the rights of all individuals within society, particularly addressing issues of poverty, oppression, and discrimination. Spiritual growth, encouraging personal spiritual development through acts of worship, remembrance of Allah, and maintaining a strong connection with the Creator. Current affairs and relevance, applying Islamic principles to current events, challenges, and societal issues, providing guidance and perspective from an Islamic viewpoint. Unity and brotherhood, emphasizing the importance of unity and cooperation among Muslims, fostering a sense of community and mutual support. Seeking knowledge, encouraging Muslims to seek knowledge and understanding of Islamic teachings, both religiously and academically. Practical advice, providing practical advice on how to implement Islamic teachings in daily life, including interactions with family, neighbors, and the wider community. Islamic sermons aims to educate, inspire, and motivate listeners to live according to Islamic principles while addressing contemporary challenges. They serve as a means of spiritual guidance, community cohesion, and intellectual engagement within the Muslim community.